And this video is for the Fuzz pot filler. This is a wall mount for your kitchen, and you can use it for filling pots. So anyway, just gonna do a little test. This is what it looks like when it extends. So definitely have enough space to even fit all the way over to your far side. Even if you mount it all the way on the left side, can be mounted anywhere in the wall as long as you have your water line running up to it. But it has a double valve, so we can turn on the water here, and you can actually turn it off here as well. So this is the first valve, and then this would be the second valve. So that's what it looks like. Can be moved around. It also has a screen in here. You can take this out right here to take out and clean, but you can put it in multiple ways, however you want. You can leave it like that. You can close it like that, but works great. Nice brushed nickel finish, and there you go. There is the pot filler. Super nice, great to add to your kitchen.